Welcome everyone. Question on coordination chemistry. The order of stability is. Choices are A. Copper whole 2 of NCl2 is less than copper whole 4 of NH3Cl2. B. Copper whole 2 of NCl2 is equal to copper whole 4 of NH3Cl2. C. Copper whole 2 of NCl2 is greater than copper whole 4 of NH3Cl2. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Copper whole 2 of NCl2 is greater than copper whole 4 of NH3Cl2. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the structure of copper whole 2 of NCl2. It is a chelated complex because it contains two 5-member rings in its structure. This is the structure of copper whole 4 of NH3Cl2. It is a non-chelated complex. We know that a chelated complex is more stable than a non-chelated complex. Therefore, the stability of the complex compound copper whole 2 of NCl2 is greater than the stability of the complex compound copper whole 4 of NH3Cl2. Thank you for watching this video.